In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show calendar days in a Microsoft Project Schedule columns. When people ask about showing calendar days in Microsoft Project, they usually mean one of two things. First, they might want to see tasks laid out visually on a traditional calendar. Second, they might want a column that tells them how many calendar days a task spans from start to finish, including weekends and holidays. Microsoft Project doesn't provide a built-in calendar days duration field, and the start and finish columns always display standard dates like 15 Feb 2026. But you can still get exactly what you need with the right views and a simple custom field. If your goal is to view tasks on a calendar instead of in a grid, switch to the Calendar view. Go to the View tab and choose Calendar. This opens a calendar-style layout where your tasks appear by day, week, or month. It's a great way to see the timing of work at a glance and spot overlaps or gaps without digging into the Gantt chart. Just keep in mind, this doesn't add a new calendar day column in your table. It simply presents your existing schedule in a familiar calendar format. If you want a column that shows the number of calendar days between a task's start and finish, including non-working time, create a custom field. Add a number field, such as number 1, and assign a formula to it. Use this formula, dateDiff D, start, finish, plus 1. This calculates the total count of days from the start date through the finish date, inclusive, so a one-day task will display as one calendar day rather than 0. After you set the formula, insert that field as a column in your schedule view, just like you would add any other column. You'll now see a clear calendar day span for each task, which is especially helpful when communicating timelines to stakeholders who think in weeks and weekends, not just working time. A few clarifications will help you interpret what you're seeing. The start and finish fields already show actual calendar dates. What they don't show is a duration measured in calendar days. The custom formula fills that gap without changing your schedule or resource calendars. It simply calculates and displays the count. Also, adjusting the timescale on the Gantt chart affects only how the chart is drawn. It won't create a new column or change your data. With these options, you can either visualize tasks on a calendar or display the total calendar day span right in your table, whichever best supports your planning and reporting.